Hi guys, we're on the other side of the crossing. We're doing one more video outside and then we'll be going into the car view. If it takes too long, then we'll do a video in the car. See, I told you it's Greenland Mill. Okay, I'll edit. Should I edit? Okay, I'll edit till it goes off.
Oh, there you go.
That was not long whatsoever. Hi guys, here at Bradford On Avon.
Want to go on the other side?
Yeah. That's Bradford. Wasn't much of a Bradford. Stayed up for a while when it went back down. Oh, thank you. Better not be coming the same way. How do you know?
Could be a freight train actually. It's going fast. Oh no, it's not the other way. That way.
158 950. And they're going up. Doing it up, they go. Look at the LEDs. See, thank you guys. I'll see you next video. See you in the car view.